Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign in or log into your Edward Jones account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Edward Jones app from your home screen. So once you tap open your app, you will end up in this page. So all you need to do is simply type in your user ID. Once you have typed in your user ID, now all you need to do is simply type in the password of your account as well. So after you are done typing in your password of your account, you can simply tap on the dialog boxes given as save user ID on this device and set up fingerprint security after login and hit the login button. After doing this, you can get logged in into your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.